Understanding floor frame in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, floor frame. This is an interesting expression that can be quite useful, especially if you're interested in construction, architecture, or just expanding your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. Floor frame consists of two words, floor and frame. Let's look at each word separately. The word floor refers to the bottom surface of a room or the level of a building. It's what you walk on inside a building. On the other hand, frame generally refers to a rigid structure that forms the shape or support of something. When we combine these words, we start to get a picture of what a floor frame might be. A floor frame is a structural component in building construction. It is the framework that supports the floor, providing the necessary base for the floor's surface. This frame is usually made of materials like wood, steel, or concrete. It is a crucial part of a building's architecture because it ensures the stability and durability of the floor. Understanding how to use floor frame in sentences is important for practical application. Here are a few examples. The builders are working on the floor frame of the new house. We need to inspect the floor frame for any damages. The architect designed a unique floor frame to support the heavy marble flooring. In these sentences, floor frame is used to specifically refer to the structural part of a building. It's helpful to know related terms when discussing floor frame. These include joist, a horizontal structure in a floor frame that supports the flooring. Subfloor, the layer above the floor frame, onto which the final floor surface is laid. Beam, a long, sturdy piece of wood or metal, often used in floor frames for support. Understanding these related terms can deepen your comprehension of the phrase, floor frame, and similar construction-related vocabulary. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of floor frame and how it's used in English. This phrase is particularly useful for those interested in construction or architecture, but it's also great knowledge for anyone learning English. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.